This is a video all about residual data. Residual data measures how much the data deviates from the regression line when residual data. So it's just a lot of fancy words, basically. That is all. Like, it's just a lot of fancy words, and I hate all of this because it's fancy words. So we're gonna do an example. So first we're gonna put our list in. So you're gonna click on Stat and then Edit. I filled in my list already, just so you wouldn't have to see a bunch of numbers happening all over again. Now, we want to we have to turn on our stat plot. So to turn on our stat plots, you go second, y equals, my plot is enter. So now this time, so we want it on. Now when we go through it, this is still going to be L1. Now instead, this is usually says L2, but we want to say resid. Now to get to resid, aka residual, aka resid, yeah, they make cute names too. Don't you love it? You're going to go to second, stat. You're going to go press 7 or scroll down to number 7. I'm just going to press 7, otherwise it gets like this and I don't like it. 7, that's there. And then we're good. So we're going to go second, home screen, quit. So now I want to calculate all my good stuff. So let's calculate. We're going to click stat, go over to calc, number 4. So mine is the updated version, boys and girls. I am very, very sorry about that. I cannot help it, but you guys would do comma L1, comma L2. We want to store reg equation into Y1, so you go vars, Y vars, and enter, calculate, enter. We got all of this. So much good stuff. Now, let's graph it. So to graph, you're going to click zoom. 9. And here is our data, and here is the line, the residual line. So this is showing like our data is basically all over the place. That is why when we did second quit, damn it, sorry guys. 4, enter, 1 in Y1. Enter. So that's why this 0.6 right here, that's why it's 0.6, because if we look at our graph, it's all over the place. It's not even, it's all over. It's up and down, it's left and right. So that's why that R is 0.6. That was why. But now, then when we do want to find the line of best fit, to change it, we'll go to second, stat plot, enter. So you're going to scroll down. So instead of saying resid, I just wanted to make sure. You go second, stat again. This is how we got our resid over here, but instead we're going to make it into L2, enter, graph. 9. There we go. So that's why our line is not the best, because of how it was working out before. So hopefully all these steps work out very well. Hopefully it works a lot better doing calculator this way versus the other way. All right? Peace out, guys.